Alright, so I had the windshield replaced on my 2004 GTO. My concerns are I can see daylight all through this. Okay, I don't mean daylight. I can see that there is a crevice that'll sit water all through there. Okay, I understand that it's sealed and won't get into the car, but what keeps it from sitting here and rotting out my windshield? I feel like the way this is a felt material, you can look right here, and the edge of the windshield is right there. This felt material used to be on the outside where this line is. So I feel like the windshield trim or rubber molding is installed 180 degrees out, because now it exposes a valley between my body and my windshield that used to have this felt seal over it. Like right here, you can see where it's sticking up big time. Like that's, oh yeah, it's literally not installed. Yeah, it's just installed inside out. See, and that didn't fit. So he just left. I just can't believe they'd leave a car like this. This was Safelite auto glass. He just shoved that back on top. Like that doesn't fit at all anymore, because it's supposed to, this doesn't have any room for it. And this is where it really starts getting good. Like it's already got trash down in there. They're gonna, like, when they called me, they said they'd send somebody out. They can't get a windshield trim until next Tuesday now. So it's supposed to rain all week, so it's just gonna sit there, and that's just gonna fill up with water. It's on the inside here. They just globbed it in. Look at that. Man. I should have did it myself.